Got a case of the hiccups? Let's unravel this quirky mystery. So here's the deal. Hiccups start with your diaphragm, that muscle under your lungs. It's supposed to help you breathe, but sometimes it just freaks out. It spasms, and bam! You hiccup. But why does it freak out? Well, it could be from eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even getting too excited. Basically, your diaphragm is a drama queen. And here's the best part. Nobody really knows why we hiccup. Scientists have theories, but no solid answers. Some think it's left over from when we were fish. Yep, fish. So next time you hiccup, just remember, your diaphragm's throwing a mini tantrum. Embrace the weirdness. And maybe grab a glass of water, just in case. Stay curious, folks.